Hey everybody, today let's check out what's happening in Royal Caribbean news today. A big thing happened. Today they announced more information on the Icon of the Seas, which arrives in 2024. And as it states here, bookings start on October 25th of this year. They'll start opening bookings, so it's good for those who want it. So let's have a quick look and see what Royal Caribbean has to offer on this brand new class of ships. Basically go to their website, click on Icon of the Seas, and it'll show you more. All you do is scroll up, and if you keep scrolling up, it gives you more views and more information as you go down. So this is the first of its kind. Let's have a quick look here. Looks like an amusement park at sea at this point. Looks similar to the Oasis class ships. A lot going on the top here, and the back is different. I don't see a aqua theater there. Okay, just click on down. Some good overviews here of animation. First, for families, Surfside. This is a neighborhood dedicated just for families. 7 pools on board. Scroll down. Keep scrolling down. It goes to the right. Soak up every minute. You can explore that area. Everything but the expected. The front here, you see this massive dome at the front. That's not the solarium. Apparently that's the new aqua theater here. So if you want to explore this, you just click on explore. And again, you start scrolling up. Aquadome it's called. This is something unique. A world of sensory discoveries awaits you at the Aquadome, most immersive scene at sea. From a towering shape-shifting waterfall that cascades into a dive pool to dining options designed to pique your culinary curiosity. Oh, that looks cool. And looks like another skating rink, round one this time. A nice, bold revolution. Alrighty, let's go back. Let's go back and look at that video. Alright, here we go. Let's watch it together. Okay, so that's an interesting video. There's lots of videos out there besides the ones on the Royal Caribbean site. Go onto YouTube, search the Icon of the Seas, and you'll find all sorts of videos. There's, you can unpack this, you can look at the water slides, you can look at this rope course thing or tightrope thing, whatever it is. The floor falls underneath you and you end up gliding around the Royal Caribbean logo. You look at the largest pool at sea. They also have these champagne-looking hot tubs that you see on a lot of Edge-class ships. They also have this cantilever pool over the back of the ship. It looks amazing. But again, that's not what I want to talk about today. What I want to talk about is the fact that they put these rooms on this ship. The one thing I noticed here, and you can see it in the video and you can see it here in this animation on the side, they've put in infinite veranda balconies similar to Celebrity Edge, Celebrity Apex, and Celebrity Beyond. And if you've watched my video on our experiences with an infinite veranda on the Celebrity Apex, they're not our favorite. It's interesting that they've gone to this. I'm wondering if they wanted more space on the inside because the balcony portion of the infinite veranda isn't that big, so maybe they can fit more staterooms in. Or maybe they just want to open it up in a different manner. And if you look closely at this picture, you'll see that there looks like there's some regular balconies around it. It looks like a huge block in the middle here that ends up going towards the back. Maybe 1, 2, 3 decks, I would say, that look like they have infinite verandas, and then the rest seem to be normal. I also noticed on the Central Park view that Central Park might have these infinite veranda balconies. There we go. Yeah. Okay, here's the rooms.
They look very similar to the Infinite Veranda staterooms on the Edge class ships, the Edge, the Apex, and the Beyond. And you can see the chairs look a little different. The spacing looks about the same. They do look like they've put curtains in. Maybe they heard me speaking. I don't know, because when we looked at we did our review on the Infinite Veranda room we had. One of the things they have is a blind that comes down from ceiling to floor with no curtains. So therefore, you just can't sit out there and have it bright in the room. If you want to see a little more, go to my other video on that room. I'll link it up here in the description and have a look at it. I can give a pretty good review. This looks a very family-oriented ship. It also looks like they got a lot of suites, which is normal these days. They're building suites everywhere,
which restricts access to many parts of the ship for people that are in just regular cabins like most of us. But if you can afford that area, then all the more power to you.
Also looks like they had some panoramic suites, which I like. This large floor-to-ceiling window. Basically, an Infinite Veranda room is a panoramic room. It's just that the window opens. So, but this would be interesting. I think I'd like that. Yeah, a lot of different room types. Anyway, I'm not going to get too much into this review. Like I said, there'll be lots out there. Just wanted to make you aware of it. You can have a search on YouTube or just go to the Royal Caribbean site like I did and have a look at the ship. It's quite interesting. It's going to be different, 250,000 tons. A lot bigger than the Oasis class ships with a lot of different features. We'll see how the pricing comes in. I imagine it's going to be their most expensive ship once it comes out for bookings on October 25th. I know a lot of people like to go on new ships right away. Personally, I like to wait for them to work out their bugs on board, because there's always little hiccups when you bring out a new class of ship. And all of this information, as you can see as I'm presenting it, is available on the Royal Caribbean site. So go have a look and check it out and see if you like it. And you can look on YouTube and probably find lots more information on it too. Hope you enjoy. Take care. Have a good day.